Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Acoustics E120 audio system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this system, not connecting or not working properly, it's not pairing with your devices and things like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason is if you're setting this system up on new devices or on a new network, or just for whatever reason you want to just get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box with everything wiped off of it so that you can set it up anew. We can do that really quite simply on here. So we're going to do this right from the control panel. We're just going to come over and press the menu button here on the left, and then from the menu button we're going to select System Settings, and from System Settings we'll select Factory Reset. And then simply after factory reset, we'll just need to confirm it. Just keeping in mind, once you hit that yes to confirm, there's no going back. Everything will be wiped off of it and it will be restored to its out-of-the-box defaults. Super thanks for watching.